Hi guys, and welcome to day 24 of Take 5. So yesterday didn't require a whole lot of movement as we did some isometric holds. So today we're gonna get back to some movement. All right, let's go in 3, high plank in 2. Come on, don't miss a beat. Let's do it. Exhale, twist. Knee to elbow, side to side. Come on. We wanna firm up. We wanna feel strong. We wanna breathe. You're here for 4, 3, 2, exhale, push to down dog, shift forward, tap your chest, straighten your arms, tap your shoulders. That's your series. Down dog, plank, chest, up, shoulder, tap. 2 more, okay? Back, forward, down, up, shoulder, tap. Last rep. Back, forward, down, up, shoulder, tap. Good. Flip it. All right, meet me on your back. Exhale, hands under your booty, knees to chest, feet to sky. Good. Slowly lower your legs down towards the ground. Exhale, pull them to your chest, and then push up. 3 more. Down, 2, 3, 4. Pull in, push up. 2 more. Down, 2, 3, 4. Pull in, push up. Last rep. Down, 2, come on, 3, 4. Slowly pull in. Oh yeah, push up. Remove those hands. Hands behind your head. All right, as our legs go to the side, we crunch up. Up, together. Up, together. If you want, you can reach. It is your call, guys. Okay? Give me 8, 7, 6, come on, 5, 4, 3, strong legs, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Exhale, feet to ground, bridge those hips up to the sky, so firm in your glutes right here, release the low back. Good, strong, strong hold, exhale, lower down. All right, knees at 90 degrees. Hold it, reach opposite hand, opposite side. So I'm rotating through center and I'm reaching beyond my shin if I can, okay? Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, side plank on a forearm. Don't care which forearm. Come on down. Scissor the feet, take your top arm up, exhale, thread it through, bring it up, thread it through, bring it up. Good, thread it through, bring it up. Watch my hips, they roll forward and then they roll back. Last 4, good, 3, abs, 2, 1 more rep, 1, hold, release, switch. Forearm comes down, exhale, scissor, stack, you choose, reach, and then lift. Come on, tighten it up, reach, lift, reach, lift. Good, reach, lift. 4, 3, this is easy now, right? 2, 1. Good. Plank, top of that push-up. Go. Hold it right here. All right. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, chest to ground. Exhale, straighten, and then tap. Wahoo. There you go. Back, forward, down, up, shoulder tap. Exhale, lift. 2 more reps. Forward, tap, up, shoulder tap. 1 more time. Forward, down, up, shoulder, tap. Good. Now twist, 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 twist. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, back, forward, down, up, tap, tap. 3 more. Back, forward, down, up, tap, tap. 2 more. Back, forward, down, up, tap, tap. I'm getting tired. 1 more. Forward, down, up, tap, tap, push back. Good, exhale, forearms down. Tighten up that belly. Strong through the core right here, okay? 3, 2, 1, done. Oh yeah. Nice work, guys. You're rocking your way through these 31 days, and I appreciate each one of you. Way to work.